Hello, I'm Shonnie Alridge, your favorite real estate broker and appraiser in Atlanta, Georgia. And today we are in Henry County in the city of McDonough, visiting the beautiful Ryan Homes community. This home behind me is the Columbia, and it is gorgeous. Let's go inside and see what all the fuss is about. Let's go. Welcome to Southern Hills, a beautiful Ryan Homes community in McDonough, Georgia, and in the Luella School District. The Columbia is priced at $394,900. It offers 2,424 square feet, two-car garage, four bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and the homeowner association is $630 a year. Enjoy the tour. Yes, well, I certainly hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely model home. Right now, I'm in the owner suite upstairs, and behind me, you see that natural light in those windows. The bed is right here. The really big, massive size walk-in closet is right here, and then here is the bathroom. Listen, when you're talking about new construction, you don't want to go at it alone. You want to have representation. The builder has their sales agents in the office representing them, and you want to have someone that represents your interests. Consider me a resource. I've been doing real estate for over 20 years. I'm also a real estate appraiser, so I'm skilled in valuations. And I can't wait to work with you and help you buy your home here in Georgia. So whether you are a veteran moving into our state, whether you are an educator, a first responder, doctors, nurses, what have you, listen, Georgia is a place to be, right? Henry County is the place to be, and we're here to help you. So give me a call. You can call me. My information is right here. You can text me, email me. I will respond. Also, you can find me on Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my channel. Share, and click that notification button so that you are notified of every single video that I have dropping, which is weekly. So listen, this community right here, Southern Hills, is absolutely gorgeous. It's perfectly situated right across the street from the school. So if you have school-age children, they can walk to school. Yeah, and you can watch them walk home from school. Also, you're close to shopping and eateries and things like that. So you're not too far off the beaten path right here. So I can't wait to work with you. Get in contact with me, and we'll see you on the next video.